Mdfamilyvlogs. Today we have Plumber pants. This is the front of the box.
Yeah, so now we're gonna open the box and see what's inside.
Surprising, there's no tape for ours.
So it comes with the side of the sink, the other side of the sink,
Why does it look like wood, guys? See? It looks like wood.
the top of the sink,
It's like they painted.
and then the plumber dude chills there.
He chills in the sink 24/7.
Then we have the pieces, and then we have the little faucet. So let's get building.
And guys, this is the back of the box.
Close it.
I'm gonna close it.
Are you ready, Sal, to play?
Yeah. Wait,
Okay.
hold on. What is this age? Say, I think I saw 4. Age is 4. She can't play because she's only 2.
Yeah, but she just
Marcus
wanna
can
join.
play because I'm 6. He's 12.
Hold on, guys. I need
With
to put
Sabrina,
water in the plumber because
Yes.
he likes his water.
he drinks without water.
Okay, water.
Even though
Oh,
sink
no.
water is not good for you. Oh no, the
no.
tools! The tools went by. Have a nice time.
Okay, I think that's enough water, guys.
Why does it look like wood? Like
Okay,
blue
so
wood.
now we're going to top the sink on. Okay, the top of the sink is on.
Now we have the faucet.
Okay, I gotta do the last thing.
The
Yeah.
tools.
The tools, yeah.
Isn't he supposed to have tools on his like belt?
No,
Because
that's
he's
where
like
you
Bob
put
the
them.
Builder. He's almost like Bob the Builder because he has the working belt. Like when you put the tools, he's almost like Bob the Builder. But except he has a hat. He doesn't have a yellow hat. He has a hat. He literally has a hat.
What is
Yeah,
the
that's
title
a
of this one,
hammer,
Wes?
so-
Plumber pants.
Oh, okay.
Look at her
I
hammer.
said this.
Okay.
Hammer.
Hammer down.
So now they're gonna start to play. Okay, put in the center. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay, Sabrina first because she's the youngest.
Okay, so
Okay.
take one of the tools and put it there.
Oop!
Oh no.
By mistake, guys.
Come on, so.
Okay.
It barely
What kind of tools you have, Sal?
A wrench.
A wrench. Okay.
My
Then after that,
turn.
where
Put
you
it
guys
there,
gonna
so.
put? Okay, turn around this one so they
No,
can see. Yeah.
Sabrina, you lost.
Okay, guys.
So turn around. Explain clear.
Sabrina
So
lost.
you put the
So this is the
wrench.
this is the
You put
plumber.
the wrench
No, the plumber
in the
holds-
part.
Get
Okay.
You put it
down.
in his belt. You put the wrench in
Really
his belt.
gently.
Yeah,
Alright.
Or else the water's gonna go everywhere.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see.
Okay.
So
you
Wesley's turn.
Well,
You need to move over here so
I'm
they
gonna
can see.
get the green one.
Okay, well, Wesley, show me what kind. The tools.
Hammer.
Okay.
I'm gonna hammer Sabrina.
Okay, hurry up.
I'm fixing here.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Marcus' turn. Marcus.
Oh, my turn. Yeah,
yeah,
my turn.
Wesley.
I forgot.
Hold on.
Me and Sabrina only.
What kind, Marcus?
I got
Tell
a
me.
screwdriver.
Show it.
Fix camera.
Wait, is that? Oh!
Oh, wait, the water went everywhere.
We didn't do anything.
And then, as you can see, the water goes everywhere, and there's the plumber.
He's mad. He's like Hulk smash.
Okay, guys, gonna do it again. Second turn.
Let's go. Second round. Oh no, it's not going down. Oh wait, no, we gotta get rid of all
Hold
the
down, Plumber.
parts.
Fancy.
Okay, who won? Who lost?
Oh, Marcus.
Okay. Okay, Marcus
Me and
is.
Sabrina won that
Okay,
round.
1 and 1.
That was easy. Sabrina, we're tied, so we have to beat Marcus.
Okay,
Me
come
and
on,
Sabrina
go
are
guys.
teaming up.
Go.
No, Sabrina's turn.
Come
Okay.
on, son.
Okay,
Right.
what you get?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Okay, put it right here in his.
Put
In
it
his.
in his pants.
Pants.
So
be
gently.
careful.
I'll do it for her. Okay.
I'm gonna
Okay.
do
The right.
blue.
Okay. Tell me, Wes. Show me
turn it
in your
around
finger.
Oh,
Wesley
Wesley,
has the right.
show me the ranch.
this it's blue.
Okay.
My second favorite color.
Okay. Next
His
piece.
face are
I'm gonna do the tape measure.
Okay.
The measure tape.
The tape measure.
So I want to mark. Oh, here we go
I
again.
lost again.
Mommy, basically I have 2 points.
Okay.
This is not fair.
Marcus is losing, guys.
He's
I'm
losing.
losing.
I think he's so
So
heavy.
explain to
that-
everybody, Marcus,
that the
whenever
guy-
you put the tools.
So when you put the tools on the belt, it starts weighing it down. As you can see, look, see, it goes up, and it keeps going down, and it keeps going down and down until it triggers the system and the water
like
goes
that.
everywhere.
And you see the plumber.
And Marcus lost
Let me show the face.
Oh, the face.
It's right
This
here.
is Bob the
See,
Builder.
it's all the tools is in a box.
See, this
It's right
is Bob
there.
the Builder, guys. You're gonna fix
Okay,
it.
last turn. This is the
Okay,
last turn.
last round. Who do you think is gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win.
No, I think you're gonna
Well,
win.
Wesley and Sabrina got 2-2. Marcus
is
got
probably
0.
gonna lose.
No, this takes all the points. This is worth 10 points.
Sure, that's
Yeah,
what
this is
everyone
worth 10 points. Yeah, this is worth 10 points.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go first this round so I can win, guaranteed.
Yeah.
I'm joking. I got the hammer, the green hammer.
You mean teal?
Okay, Sabrina, your turn.
So come on, you gotta lose.
Come on, okay, Wesley, your turn.
Measuring tape. Here's the one.
Come on, I can win this. Shoot. They rigged the game.
Okay, Marcus.
This is so like pro.
I lost. I'm losing. I thought I was gonna win. I had a strategy.
No, it's a tie.
strategy
It's a
didn't
tiebreaker.
work.
It's a tiebreaker.
Okay.
Me versus Sabrina.
Okay, this is the
Marcus
4th
out.
round. Okay, let's see.
I'm out.
This is the final result.
joking.
No, final result.
Final
Winner takes
result.
everything.
Okay.
Winner takes everything.
3, 3, 3.
Winner takes
3 for
everything.
Wesley. 3 for Sabrina. Marcus
do I have
0.
4?
Look at the reaction of Sabrina's face, guys. You can
She's
see
like,
the
I'm
reaction.
so happy.
What is your face,
Guys,
huh?
look at her face.
Hammer.
This is her face.
Okay, so it's your turn.
Sub, you gotta lose this, okay? Because you're literally a champion.
Okay, sub, go,
Lose
Wesley.
this.
Okay, what kind of tool you gonna have, Sam?
Sabrina
She
put a
has
hammer on
and
already.
I'm gonna get a teal hammer.
Okay, that's Sabrina. That's
I never got the Plumber piece out.
Okay,
I
well,
need the lightest object so I can guarantee
The
win.
hammer.
Oh, I didn't lose this time.
okay. What's Sabrina
You
next?
go, Sabrina.
Die. I mean, please.
No, sub. Not like that.
Oh,
Here, sub.
Okay. It's very
I think I'm gonna
Yo,
lose.
guys, it's gonna fall anytime soon. Come on, Wesley, lose.
Wesley lose.
No, I'm the
Lose.
champion.
Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Sorry.
Wesley won. I won the game.
Okay, another
Let's
one.
go.
This
Okay.
is the
Yeah,
final
we're
round.
all
This
getting
is
Final round.
Okay, this is very
Fun.
You like it, guys?
Super fun.
Yeah, I like this.
I'm gonna play this like on Sunday. Tomorrow.
Okay, the
Okay.
last one, guys. Promise. This is the
This
last
game
one.
is so fun.
This
guys.
time I'm taking the dub.
No, I'm taking the dub.
You guys are gonna take L's.
Okay,
No,
this
you
is the
take-
toolbox. Yes.
Thick ones.
Okay, Sabrina face like. whoop.
This is her
Okay.
face.
Okay, look at the water, guys. It's
There's
everywhere.
Oh
It's
my
so
god.
Okay,
it's
sub,
so
you go
messy.
first, sub.
Okay.
Sub, you
No,
gotta
sub,
lose
you're gonna
this.
trigger.
Sub,
So
press it
put
like.
it in.
No, that's it.
Oh, I gotta do it for
Okay,
you
hurry up.
guys.
Oh,
Okay.
hammer time.
That's
The lightest one. Come on, come,
Wait, no.
come on, take the L. Oh,
I'll never take the L.
no,
Except for the
sub.
last round.
We gotta
guys-
do this with precision and
Pretend
accuracy.
round 4 you didn't see that, okay?
Okay. I did it. Holy,
Okay.
holy.
No, stop, don't get the hammer.
Okay, this
So
one
get
is
this
out.
one.
Come on, sub, you
Get
can-
this one.
Why you want to get the heaviest? Wesley? You're two on our team. You guys on the
put it in,
team.
sub.
Come on, sub, put it on. Here, I'll do it. No, sub, you're heavy-handed.
They're all cheating, guys. They don't want.
How are we cheating? Okay, Wesley's turn.
So move!
I'm not losing this.
Okay.
You're gonna lose. Yeah! Look at Sabrina's face. Look at Sabrina's face.
So, Marcus,
Okay.
this is another tiebreaker, guys. How long is this gonna last?
Okay. Okay. Well, Wesley got what? It's 4. And then Marcus got
10.
2. So it's gonna be tiebreaker for Wesley and Sabrina. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it this one more time.
Okay,
This is the
Sabrina,
last
we got
one.
it.
This is the
I'm on
final.
team sub now.
Okay.
I'm helping Sabrina out.
Okay.
Okay, sub go
Look,
first.
I put all those.
Guys, I'm playing for Sabrina because me and Sabrina have strategy,
Okay, this
right,
is for
Sub?
Sabrina and Wesley.
Okay, no, I'm on Sabrina's team. Wesley
Okay.
by himself.
Hurry up. This is the final.
You
When
got
it gets
this,
to
Sub, you
4,
got this, you
it's
got
like
this. Okay, Sub,
done.
you got this. No, Sub, I play for you, okay? So we win.
Yeah.
Yeah, we.
I don't. Oh, this is definitely gonna get on. Boys, I think I took the dub.
No, I don't think you took any
I
dubs
took
yet.
every dub.
Sub, no touchy, Sub.
Touch it, touch it.
Come on.
We lost.
So we lost, Sub.
Guys, I'm the winner finally.
So guys, the final is the winner
The
is
final results are Wesley. The losers are me and Sabrina. Sad noise.
Haha.
Okay, don't forget.
To subscribe,
Hit the
like,
bell.
and don't forget to leave comments.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, what are you gonna say, Sam?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.